I won't agree with that statement. Because I will show you. Usually I used to show these things and all, but today, since it's a 1 hour session, I don't want to do that and all. If you are good Q1, the remaining Q50 is considered as Q2, Q3, Q4. That is known as focus Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. That means Q4 journals are obviously not a good journal. Many people might be get bored because you all are very familiar about these metrics might be, but still I just want to convey these two point to claim my point. Okay. Then the same way for a management, commerce and management economics people should aware about another journal metrics called ABDC and ABS. Smart research practice I can give you in the beginning. Right. Then the second thing is like we need to include our research in our daily life. We need to include our research in our daily life. This should not be like something what we need to do only for getting some academic benefits. Not the case. It should be in our daily life. For that we can use our LinkedIn research academic